Hi, this is James, Trucking James, and that Socks fixing to do her duty. We're out here in Kansas City at the Flying J truck stop, although you can't see. If I held the camera right, you'd be able to. Those are bushes, and that's the gravel underneath them. Looks like we have about 4 or maybe 6 inches of snow here. Yeah, about 4 to 5 inches. And that's the total so far. It's still snowing. The power plant's that way. Freightliner dealership, Blue Beacon, Fleet Pride. Used to be a Burger King across the road. 435 in the distance there, you can see. People are moving slowly through the snow. So far, it's a pretty nasty storm. Not as bad as they said it would be, but still pretty bad. Anyway, there you go. I guess you can call it a truth report from, what do they call this? Winter Storm Virgil. Ugh. Alright, well, there you go. Truth report. Take it easy, y'all. Trucking James out.